Today I'm making over the rainbow ice cream sandwiches. First in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 1 egg. Then I'm going to add 1 bag of sugar cookie mix. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of this Magic Treasure cereal. Next I'm going to mix that up until the cookie dough forms. Now I have a lined baking sheet. I'm going to scoop out the cookies onto the baking sheet and bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. Once the cookies are done and cooled, I add them to a tray. I'm going to take 1 cookie, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and sandwich them together, and then sprinkle some rainbow sprinkles around the cookie. Then I'm just going to continue making the ice cream sandwiches. Here's an up-close look at the over the rainbow ice cream sandwiches.